Good day, ma'am. My name is Christine Janine Husel Agon, and ang first na genre nga ato i-tackle is all about the horror genre. So what is horror? Horror is a genre of literature, film, and television that is meant to scare, startle, shock, and even repulse the audiences. So the key focus of a horror novel, horror film, or horror TV show is to elicit a sense of dread sa readers through frightening images, themes, and situations.
I am Charilo Iyana, and for the next genre is comedy. Comedy films are make-and-laugh films designed to elicit laughter from the audience. Comedies are light-hearted dramas crafted to amuse, entertain, and provoke enjoyment. The comedy genre humorously exaggerates the situation, the language, action, and characters. So the purpose of this genre is to make the audience laugh, and also this genre emphasizes humor. We all know that our king of comedy here in Philippines is si Mr. Dolphy. And mostly sa mga cast or mga bida sa ani na film, sa ani na genre is mga comedians, which is sila ang magdala sa mga funny moments, sa mga funny nga mga scenes. And one example of this genre is The Unkabokable Private Benjamin. It is directed and written by Wen Daramas, starring the one and only Vice Ganda.
Bakit naman rin napupuno ka ng gasya? Gusto mo sinipod ka pinagpala sa bahay at pinagpala naman.
Hoy! Ano ka ba? Hoy!
Mas kaya kitang barili kaysa sa kanila!
Ano ka ba? Tanggalin mo yan!
Hindi ko sila kaya saktan!
Ano hindi mo sila kaya saktan?
Mahal
Bakit?
ko sila!
Ari ko! Ikaw talaga kahit kailan bakla ka.
Ikaw na lang!
O sige na nga!
Harap ka kaluwa! Tama na!
Aray!
Tama na!
Ikaw talaga bakla ka. Oy mo ha? Oy mo!
Tama na! Mahal ko sila!
Mahal agad?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Miles Erdaco, and for our next topic, I will be talking about the drama genre film. So what is drama genre film? So drama film is a genre that relies on the emotional and relational development of realistic characters. While drama film relies heavily on this kind of development, dramatic themes play a large role in the plot as well. So, ang drama film di ay is kuan na siya about a movie nga kana bitaw maigo jud imong damdamin kana bitaw walang tan-aw ka wa ka di ka kabantay nga naghilak na day ka like more siya tinuod kay more kag maigo jud. So, ang akong example ani is the movie entitled Anak. So, it is directed by Rory Quintos. So, starring Vilma Santos as Josie, Claudine Barreto as Carla, and Baron Michael. So, this movie is all about a woman that is forced to leave her family abroad. Then, para makadong siya abroad, para makatrabaho siya. Then, wala siyang kabantay nga pag-uli dahil niya nalayo na ang loob sa iyang mga anak ba. So, samot na atong intense nga part, katong which is katong nag-away na sila. So, dara ang clip.
Ngayon, sabihin mo sa akin, sinasabi mong hindi kita naiintindihan? Bakit, Carla? Ako ba inintindi mo kahit minsan? Hindi. Sarili mo lang iniintindi mo. Sana kahit minsan, binigyan mo na halaga lahat ng paghihirap ko sa inyo, lahat ng sakripisyo ko sa inyo. Sana, tuwing umiinom ka ng alak, habang inihitit mo ang sigarilyo mo, habang nilulustay mo yung mga perang pinadala ko, sana maisip mo rin kung ilang pagkain ang tiniis kong hindi kainin para lang makapagpadala ako ng malaking pera dito. Sana, habang nakahiga ka dyan sa kutsyon mo, natutulog, maisip mo rin kung ilang taong kong tiniis ang matulog mag-isa habang nangungulila ako sa yakap ng mga mahal ko. Sana maisip mo kahit konti kung gaano kasakit sa akin na mag-alaga ng mga batang hindi ko kaano-ano. Samantalang kayo mga anak ko, hindi ko man lang kayo maalagaan. Alam mo ba kung gaano kasakit yun sa isang ina? Alam mo ba kung gaano kasakit yun? Kung hindi mo ko kayang ituring bilang isang ina, respetuhin mo na lang ako bilang isang tao. Yun lang, Carla. Yun man lang.
So mao to, grabe kaayo ang kanang drama atong scene. So grabe tong nagkumportaay na sila nga na. So ako nga gatanaw adto pod kanang wa ko bantay nga nagtuon na dai sa dakong luha. So mo to siya ang example sa drama movie. Thank you.
Good day, Mom. I am Jessica Panas from grade 11 ABM. So, an action movie involves physical actions and explosions. It is also a combination of state-of-the-art special effects and stunt work. It is also a film with a fast-moving plot and containing a sense of violence. Also, an action film is a genre in which protagonists put into a series of events that usually have a violence and physical actions. So, kaning action movie, na siya mga contain siya of violence and mga physical action nga mga karate o patay-patay, like gunfights. So, muna siya action movie. And an example ani is a Buy Bust movie. So, kani siya directed by Eric Mati, screenplay by Anton Santamaria, and produced by Vic Del Rosario Jr. Edited by Jay Halili, and music by Erwin Romulo and Malik Lopez. Cast: Ann Cortez, Brandon Vera, Victor Neri, Noni Buencamino, and Lau Rodriguez. Buy Bust is an anti-drug enforcement agency that stages a massive drug in the slum of Manila. Beyond its realistic portrayal of gunfights, Buy Bust that shy away from the brutal realities of gunfights. So, kanijud nga action movie is realistic kay naa siya mga gunfights, mga patay-patay, mga karate-karate, and etc. So, muna siya example of action movie. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Ma'am. I am Gwen Gavisan, and it is my pleasure to speak to you this time about the captivating world of Filipino thriller films. These cinematic gems have long been a source of intrigue and excitement. So, kitang siguro tanan no kay Bona sa thrillers. So, thriller is a genre of affection with numerous, often overlapping subgenres, including the crime, the horror, and detective fiction. Thrillers are characterized and defined by the moods they elicit, giving their audiences heightened feelings of suspense, excitement, surprise, anticipation, and anxiety. So, thriller film, also known as the suspense film or suspense thrillers, is a broad film genre that evokes excitement and suspense. So, ang mga karakter sa thriller sa mga salida is kasagaran gisugod na siya sa usa ka normal nga sitwasyon, and then makasinati og complications or dangers nga which is mo gadala og kabalakaw kahadlok nila. Well, they might create a bloody scene with a dead body or a monster, because the Filipino thriller cinema has a rich and diverse history. Take for example, the critically acclaimed film Birdshot. Go.
bago kayong kaso. May nawawalang pinipinihinga sa santuaryo.
Alam niyo, nawawala ang hari ko. Tapos kailangan
Sabi ko, paano sinusunod natin ngayon? Sabi mo siya ikaw, nasaan na ba rin?
Nasa yung babae. Nasa yung tinatanong sa akin. Kaya nagtanong, huwag kang magsasabi sa ginawa mo.
Turuan mo na ako, di ba? Marunong na ako, kaya kaya ko na to. Saan yung mali mo?
So, Birdshot is a 2016 Filipino thriller film. So, the film follows the story of a young girl named Maya who is accidentally shoots and killed an endangered Philippine eagle. So, Birdshot was directed by Michael Red as a Filipino filmmaker known for his unique and visually striking approach to storytelling. So, the main character sa movie kay si Mary Joy Apostol as Maya. So, she is the main protagonist of the movie. Arnold Reyes as Domingo just got his position as a police officer. And then si Diego as Maya's father and of course the caretaker of the land. And then ang ubang cast ani kay sila John Arcelia as Onyok and then Isi Aquino as Mendoza. So, as we explore the thrilling world of Filipino cinema, let us appreciate the unique perspectives and storytelling techniques that have made this film so captivating and impactful. Thank you all for your attention.
Good day everyone, I am Zoe Blanco Boyles and let's talk about a movie entitled Gagamboy and under science fiction. So a science fiction movie it creatively depicts real or imaginary science and technology as parts of its plot, settings, and theme. So the Gagamboy movie, it was directed by Eric Mati, a story by Eric Mati, Rose Monteverde Tio, and Dwight Gaston. It was distributed by The Regals Entertainment and was released on January 1, 2004. So it was an accident at a pharmaceutical lab turns into a mild-mannered and unassuming Junie, an ice cream vendor, into a superhero. Junie finds out later on that being strong and admired can have its downside. So the top cast are Bong Navarro, Jay Manalo, Aubrey Miles, Long Mejia, and Berwin. Thank you!
As the name implies, the genre crime is largely classified by a story that is centered around the solving of a crime. Crime films are movies that is centered around criminal activities like thief, murder, and fraud. These type of stories typically features criminals, detectives, and investigations, keeping audiences on the edge of their seats. They can be exciting and suspenseful, but also explore serious themes like justice, punishment, and the legal system. So here is an example of a crime genre. Verdict is a 2019 Philippine crime drama film directed by Raymond Rebay Gutierrez. It was selected as the Philippine entry for the Best International Feature Film at the 92nd Awards Academy, but it was not nominated. In Verdict, an abused and battered wife named Joy that was played by Max Eigenmann decides to stand up for justice against her alcoholic husband that was played by the late Christopher King but in the noisy process of the justice system.
Hello everyone, this is Girly Galao on your screen and I'll be talking about a genre called romance. So what is romance? Romance involves romantic love stories that focus on passion, emotion, and the affectionate dramatic involvement of the main characters. Typically, their journey through dating, courtship, or marriage is featured. So ang kanang romance kuno is a type of genre that focus on love and romantic relationship between characters or two main characters. So the film that I chose as an example of this genre is the Hello Love Goodbye. Hello Love Goodbye is a 2019 Philippine romantic film produced and distributed by Star Cinema. Directed by Cathy Garcia Molina and produced by Carlo L. Katigbak and Olivia Ablamasan. Kani si Cathy Garcia Molina is daghan na jud ni siya film nga siya ag naging director, and most of it is romance jud ang genre because mao jud niya hang forte. Example ani is kanang The House of Us o Got to Believe, and successful jud kani sila nga film. Moving on, Hello Love Goodbye is starred by Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards, with several cast members including Kakay Bautista, Lito Pimentel, Joris Gamboa, Maymay Entrata, Lovely Abella, and Jameson Blake. Hello Love Goodbye follows the story of Catherine Bernardo as Joy. She is a domestic worker in Hong Kong. Her disabled father and siblings live in the Philippines while Joy supports them by working abroad. Joy's mother is married to an abusive Chinese man in Hong Kong. She has to do multiple jobs to raise money for her Canadian work visa. This is illegal because her work visa only allows her to do her domestic job. And it is during an altercation with the police that Joy meets Alden Richard as Ethan. Ethan works as a bartender. When Ethan and Joy meet, their path in life are moving in opposite directions. Joy is committed to her family obligation and is not looking for a boyfriend, while Ethan is only looking to have a good time. But things, however, change when they fall in love with each other. They will therefore have to make the hard choice between staying together or breaking up to pursue their individual dreams. Hello Love Goodbye is about making a choice between love and chasing after your dream. And Joy has everything about her life planned out before meeting Ethan. She is faced with the option of discarding those plans to be with him, and it is great to see her choose to continue chasing after her dreams. She sticks to her plans and sets her priorities no matter how much she is swayed to do otherwise. And Ethan, he let Joy choose herself and chase her dreams. Because love is not always the end goal and will not fulfill as an individuals. We should allow ourselves to follow our dreams and find out just how far we can go. Or we should allow others to follow their dreams just like what Ethan did. Because love is about sacrificing and being selfless.
Good day everyone, my name is Miranda Rubial, and then today I will be discussing you about the adventure genre, which is a common theme of an adventure if the characters leaving their home or places of comfort and going to fulfill a goal, embarking on travel measures, tasks, and heroic journeys and exploration or searches for the unknown. Adventure genre, it's more likely nga mag-explore bitaw ka, mag-create ka o lain nga mga experiences, and then those experiences will make you fulfill nga, ma-feeling nga you're having an adventure. That's it my perspective about the adventure genre. And then also my example for adventure genre is the Magic Kingdom. And then short description of Magic Kingdom is it is filmed in the 1997 Philippine fantasy adventure film directed by Peccio Galaga and Lorraine Reyes. The film star are Jason Salcedo, Janos Del Prado, Jonel Hernando, and John Urbano. It is one of the entries in the 1987 Metro Manila Film Festival, where it won as third best picture. It marked the theoretical book of Anne Curtis. And then it's also the background of the story also is, it is more likely nga na because they're seeking for the lost princess who has been lost for so long because of kanang sayang tungkol sa iyang bitag stepmother bitaw like kanang his father kay kanang namatay ang iyang mama, and then kanang he married another woman, and then that woman became the stepmother of the princess, the lost princess Talia, which is Anne Curtis. And then long time ago, there was a time na there's a prince nga was longing for an adventure, and then find out na there's a kanang kingdom nga na lost princess. And then to make the story shorter, the prince that is that's having an adventure, siya ang nakakita sa lost princess, who is Anne Curtis, acted as Dahlia.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Abigail Anod. The next genre I will introduce to you is mystery. A mystery is a kind of fiction genre which is the nature of an event is a murder or another crime. It remains mysterious until the end. Yung parang lahat ng karakter ay pwede nimo kung ano niya siya ang gapatay or siya ang suspect. Like nga niya ang mystery, like marag wala jud kay clue kung kinsa, pero ug na magay clue, marag feel nimo sila tanan jud ang nagpatay ana niya or suspect ana. So
everyone, I'm Alan Umamoy. This time I tackle about romance comedy. Romance comedy is a light and humorous movies plays etc. whose central plot is happy love story. A genre of comedy represented by Works. Filmmakers. This film is directed by Theodore Borol, written by Noreen Capili, Theodore Borol, and Alex Disaga. The producer are Paul Soriano and Mark Victor. The composer is G.C. Lastin. The editor is Beng Bandong. The cinematographer is Noel Tehinagke. The production designer is Erickson Navarro. One of the example of romance comedy is The Entitled, starring Alex Gonzaga and G.C. De Vera. The film is entirely filmed in and around Lipa, Batangas. This is all about Belinda, which is si Alex Gonzaga, that learned that she is a daughter of a businessman. After his ipadong si Belinda sa house siyang papa, ay nakita sa trailer kung unsa ka ignorante si Belinda, because Belinda grew up in a rural environment, and because nag-need help iyang father to manage their business, gitrain si Belinda sa isa ka chairman na lawyer si Jacob, which is si JC De Vera. As days pass, nasigi sila guban na ay na-develop na feelings.